In this video, I will show you how to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram. So in here, let's head over right here to our inbox. Once you're on your inbox, you can see in here the conversation that you have with a friend. So as of right now, you can see that the Vanish Mode has been turned on and the seen messages will disappear when you close it. For example, let's put in here some messages, and whenever someone or this person has actually seen a message, this will vanish. Whenever you try to take a screenshot, it will also notify on their end. If you want to actually head over and then turn this off, what you can do is you can head over to their name right here in the upper corner. Click on this privacy and safety, and you can see here the vanish mode. So turn it off right here. And then once you have turned off vanish mode, you should be able to see the previous messages that you've shared with this person. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like below and subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.